this thing make noise today. Still a few things to wrap up before then. Hooked up. Wow. Join the 21st century. We're the laptop on the roof guys now. Just look at it. Part of modern life, waiting for the firmware to update. So right now our ECU had version 4 of the EFI firmware on it, so getting that updated. We'll move on to get the base calibration put in and hopefully be one step closer to making noise. It literally works just like Traxxas Link. That's quite funny. Yeah, so like these are switches. Water pump and the nitrous are switches that you can configure. Yeah. So it's pulling the V5 firmware off of our Optima jump drive here. Ignition on. Ready?
That's just freaky.
That was first fire up with the Holley EFI. Yeah. And we just realized that the O2 sensors aren't hooked up. But so it made about a half turn over and cranked right up.
Thank you, Holley.
Yes.
You guys are awesome.
He's been a little stressed about this.